All right, vacuum it. Put the seat belts on. I forgot to pass it through there, so I'll have to take that someday and put it through here. Got the seat belts right here. Install the seals. I gotta take this shit off, that yellow paint bullshit, but that's not from the fucking disc. It's on the actual car. And I gotta just put the kick panels, that under the steering wheel, and yeah, it was a good day. It was a good day. My little brother helped me, so yeah, fuck yeah, we're getting there.